So I have a black leopard elastic detail for easy wear, adjustable satin tie bonnet. Let's see how she's hitting for. This is what it looks like. It's nice. Ooh, very nice and pretty. Big, very big. This is the type that you have for people with like long braids or long hair. I like this. If I was to put it on my head right now, this is what it would look like, and I could put this entire wig inside of this and be completely fine. Okay, hold on, give me a second. It's me, it was me. Okay, but yes, you see that? Nice and long, and then of course you tie these straps right here around. Don't worry about that, okay? But yes, that's how you do that. This is very nice. I like this. It feels very nice. It is kind of see-through, so I wouldn't go into it with my hair damp at all. Honestly, I would definitely use this as just my nighttime one if I don't have a pillowcase, or like me, we share pillows with the children, stuff like that. So if I want to have my own situation on my head that feels like a pillowcase, this is what I would grab. Definitely pick this up. I will have it linked. We also have a re-up of the Edge Fixer 24-hour max hold hair stick, and this is in amber. I do also have another one of these that I don't really use. I honestly should try to use it. Let me see. I'm just not too sure. If you're like me, you're not too sure how to use it, let's try to use it right now. Basically, it says for slick back ponytails, tapered cuts, and sculpting edges, apply the stick directly onto the hair and edges. For twist, rub a small amount of wax between your fingertips and apply it directly. For blending weaves and wigs and tame flyaways, apply on the entire length of the hair and or the roots. Okay. And then it also has this thing up down here where you push it, right? Yeah, you push it to get the product. So, okay. So if I were to do that, it feels like it is weighing it down, if that makes sense. It's definitely holding something down. And I definitely feel like now my hair's not as puffy as it was. like instantly kind of feel like that. And not even for any particular reason, but just the fact that it kind of, it's not like a, this is interesting because I don't feel like I put a hair oil on, but I do feel like I put something more like an edge tamer or edge controller all over my hair. So that's actually pretty interesting. But I like the way that it laid it down. It's pretty cool. And again, I have this on my head to kind of hide that lace. But aside from that, I like the way that it laid it down. That's cool. I'll definitely have this linked. You can check that out. Okay, you see that? Like, it actually made a major difference. It looks way more presentable now versus like, oh, okay, you just got out the shower, because I totally did. I like that. Okay, that was my first time using that. I started to see the promo videos for this brush, and I am a big fan of their hair brushes, their detangling brushes specifically, because they're all under $10 and they work really well. So I'll make a video about that as well for sure. But this one is the Curl Art Styler. It's a curl defining curl separation with side comb for better definition, nylon and boar bristles. This looks so cool. I don't really know too much about like how to do my curls in general, but I'm excited to learn for this right here. And not even for me, but for the girl's hair. The way that this brush is, it has like the prickles, right? It has the prickles, and then it has the fluffies in the inside. You see that? It's the prickles and the fluffies. And then on the side, it has the comb. That's crazy. Like, they keep coming out with all of these cool and interesting products. And like, I don't know if anybody else is noticing, but I've said it like over a year ago, like, they're out here doing stuff, right? Red Pie Kids really comes out with some very interesting and unique products. So I'm really interested to see exactly how this works. And if you want to see as well, do let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. But I'll have this linked as well.